With Netflix's stricter account sharing policies and growing security concerns, knowing how to properly sign out of Netflix on your EETV box has become more important than ever. There are three main reasons why you should know how to sign out of Netflix on your EETV box. First, account security, protecting your personal viewing data and payment information. Second, Netflix's new sharing policies require proper account management. Third, when using shared or temporary devices, signing out prevents unauthorized access. Your EETV box runs Netflix as an integrated application that remains logged in between viewing sessions. This convenience can become a security risk if the device is shared or if you need to switch between different Netflix accounts. There are three primary methods to sign out of Netflix on your EETV box. Method 1 uses the Netflix app settings directly on your TV. Method 2 involves deactivating through your Netflix account settings. Method 3 allows remote device management through a web browser. The Netflix account management page provides powerful tools for device control. The Sign Out of All Devices option offers the most comprehensive security solution, ensuring your account is protected across all platforms, including your EETV box. Understanding when and how to sign out of Netflix on your EETV box is essential for maintaining account security and complying with Netflix's updated policies. Each method serves different situations, so choose the one that best fits your needs. There are three main methods to sign out of Netflix on your EETV box. Each method serves different purposes and situations. Method 1 is the most direct approach. Open the Netflix app on your EETV box and navigate to the left menu using your remote control. Scroll down to find either Get Help or Settings in the left menu. As you can see in this interface, Get Help is highlighted and easily accessible. Method 2 uses your web browser to sign out of all devices at once. This is useful when you want to ensure complete logout from every device connected to your Netflix account. Navigate to your Netflix account settings through a web browser. Look for the Sign Out of All Devices option under Security and Privacy Settings. This will immediately log out your EETV box along with all other connected devices. Method 3 allows you to remove specific devices from your Netflix account. This gives you precise control over which devices remain logged in. Access Manage Download Devices from your account settings. Here you can see all authorized devices and specifically remove your EETV box while keeping other devices logged in. Sometimes you may encounter issues during the logout process. Here are the most common problems and their solutions. If the Netflix app freezes during logout, simply restart your EETV box by unplugging it for 10 seconds, then plugging it back in. For persistent login issues where Netflix won't sign out properly, clear the app cache through your EETV settings menu. Always ensure you have a stable internet connection during the logout process. Poor connectivity can prevent proper synchronization with Netflix servers. Remember these three methods: direct logout through the Netflix app, web browser sign out of all devices, or specific device removal through device management. For any issues, restart your box, clear the cache, or check your internet connection.